low top colorway, super summer ready. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Kyrie Low black and metallic silver. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Kyrie Low box with the Kyrie logo on the geometric pattern, and the colorway is black and metallic silver. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe utilizes a combination of mesh as well as synthetic detailing for the majority of the upper of the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the mesh toe along with the synthetic detailing on both sides of the toe box, on this side and that side. Taking a look at the tongue, you've got the mesh detailing as well as the Kyrie logo on the tongue tag. The shoe also has this midfoot strap with the Nike logo in metallic silver. The shoe has a black insole with a white Nike swoosh. For the lateral, you've got the black mesh upper along with the Nike swoosh in metallic silver, and it's a plastic Nike swoosh. The heel features the same design as the Kyrie 1 does, so it's got that kind of like grooved, spiked-esque detailing. And you also have the number 11 by the sole. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the mesh upper along with the plastic Nike swoosh in metallic silver. The shoe features a white and gray speckled midsole. And you've got the black outsole with the purple, green, and blue detailing by the forefoot and the heel. Of all the Kyrie Low colorways that have come out so far, this is definitely my favorite. It's a clean colorway, and not only that, it's one of those colorways that has enough of a pop to where it's not a bland colorway. So you've got the metallic silver detailing, which is really nice. Like the shine on it is really dope. Plus the fact that they use for the midfoot strap, they have the Kyrie 1 heel detailing on it as well. That's just extra pops that really make this shoe shine. And then the outsole is really dope as well. It reminds me of a Kyrie 2, and I, for the life of me, can't figure out which one it was. But I think it's a black and green Kyrie 2. There, it looks just like this outsole, and that's what it reminds me of. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Kyrie Low in the black and metallic silver colorway is now available at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $110. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.